Hey guys, welcome back Natripati, and it's been a while since I've been uploaded a video about Quora and how to get more views in that. But as you might see in my channel, I have uploaded videos about on iMovies in the past few weeks. So watch them. And today I'll be doing the part 2 of how to get more views in iMovies. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, in the past few months, I have been gaining a lot of views in Quora. As you might notice, in the previous video, I had 375k views, I guess. And now, by the time I do this video, I have 511k views. That means 200k views added up to the account within, 1.5 months. Wow! So I have 1.75k upvotes, and also, as you might notice, my shares have lifted. It's 141. Before I was in 70s, and it also had been raised up by 70 shares within 2 months. As I noticed in the previous video, it's very hard to get shares in iMovies, but I have got 141 views. Enough of that. Let's jump to the second step on how to get more views in Quora. So guys, the second step of getting more views on Quora is you should write answers and post questions in your niche. And what I mean by that is you should write what you know the best on and ask what you do not know about something from your niche. For an example, some of the niches are technology, music, cooking, science, maths. And also guys, what I also mean by that is if there's a techie guy watching this video, I also recommend you writing answers and adding questions in the topic technology. And also if there's a musician watching this video and he or she wants to get more famous in Quora, I recommend you using the music topic. And also if there's cooking lover in this Quora and want to get more views in Quora, so what you have to do is just type in Quora, just search for cooking in the topic section, and then to follow that topic, and then start writing answers and posting questions on that. And then if there's a scientist checking for how to get more views on Quora, then I recommend you using the science topic. And then at last, mathematicians. If there's a mathematician watching this video, I surely recommend you using this topic. So guys, I'm really impressed because in Quora there's a way that you can find your own niche very easily. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. So guys, now I'm in a Quora profile, and as you might see, I have scrolled down, and then in this knows about section there are many topics that I have been followed. So the best one is social media. I have answered a stunning number of 142 answers from questions in this topic. And then I have many more topics on movies, TikTok, technology, science, Instagram, physics, and I like physics, and that's the reason I did same thing. And then about the technology, and as you can see, technology. And guys, the more followers in the topics helps you to get more views. So as I might open another screen and show you how many followers does technology have. What a stunning number, 99.7 million. So guys, after research, I found out that this topic has the most number of followers on Quora. So writing answers on this is the best way to get more views. Maybe you might get 1 million views from this one. So maybe there are 50 to 60 million active users in the technology. Others are bots or non-users of Quora, or maybe they have created an account but they are not interested in Quora. Maybe like that, but it's 99.7 million. And then the second one is on science. So as I scroll down a little bit, you may see the science Quora, and it has a stunning number of 82.3 million views. As I told in the technology thing, it's the same with the thing. And also guys, from here you can check for the most viewed writers. So as you might clearly see, the top one is Franklin West, 355k only for writing answers in Quora. Wow, mind blowing. And in science, there are many more speed writers, only 10. And here, wow, it's like a million views, nearly million views. Wow, that's astonished. My mind is blown. And then there are also many topics. So guys, if you want to search some topic in your if you want to search your niche, just click on search Quora and then type in whatever you want. And as you might see, I'm just typing in cooking, and then as you might see, there are many spaces in cookies. I might talk about spaces in my next video. And I also have created my own space. Please follow that if you're Quora. Other link will be in the description below. It's about all about cars, and my space name is Car Lovers. Please follow it. It's a good space. I have currently 1.7k followers in that, so please follow. And guys, as you can clearly see, there are many spaces, but there aren't any topics. And if you want to get any advanced searching, just click on right here, the pencil icon next to the nose about it, and then from here you can search for a topic easily. I'm just gonna type in cooking, and as you can clearly see, there's a topic named cooking, and it has a stunning number of 48 million followers. Wow, my mind is blown. And then to check that topic, and guys, the thing is that you have to write 1 or 2 answers to get that topic in here. I have not written an answer about cooking, so to show you guys that, I need to go to the following section and then choose topics, and then after that I'm gonna scroll down until the bottom and then search for what I made. Wait a second, guys. So guys, I'm back. I had to do something off camera. So as you can clearly see, it has 48.8 million followers. I'm not gonna follow it because I'm just not a cooking fan. So from here, you can, to write answers to questions from your niche, just click on the answer bar, and then there are hundreds and thousands of questions that you can write answers to. Like the most followed, I think the most followed question is, what can I add to water to make its density lower? I mean, that I don't know because I'm not a cooking lover. And if you viewers know how to cook, then you can create a Quora account, follow this page, and then write answers on your niche and get a million views easily without getting tired within 3 months. Watch my next video to learn about how to get more views and what are spaces on Quora. So if you think that I deserve a like, please like down below and then subscribe to my channel. See you lads in the next video.